In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in a cell in Smartsheet. Wrapping text is a simple formatting tool that can make your sheets much easier to read, especially when you're working with longer notes, descriptions, or comments. Instead of your text getting cut off or forcing you to make your columns really wide, wrapping will automatically move the text onto multiple lines within the same cell. First, open your sheet in Smartsheet and make sure you're in the grid or Gantt view where you can see your rows and columns clearly. Take a moment to locate the cell that has the text you want to format. This might be a cell that already looks a bit cramped, where you can only see the beginning of the text unless you click into it. Now, click directly on that cell to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a clear outline around it. This step is important because Smartsheet needs to know exactly which cell, or cells, you want to apply the wrapping to. If you'd like to wrap multiple cells at once, you can also click and drag to highlight a range, or hold down your modifier key to select several individual cells before moving on. Once your cell or cells are selected, look toward the top of your Smartsheet window in the toolbar area above the sheet. You'll see various formatting options like font size, alignment, and colors. Among these icons, find the one that looks like several horizontal lines stacked with a bent arrow, or lines that appear to be breaking into multiple rows. That's the wrap text icon. Go ahead and click this wrap icon. As soon as you do, the content in your selected cell will automatically adjust. Instead of extending in one long line that might disappear off the edge of the column, the text will now flow onto multiple lines within that same cell. The row height may increase slightly to fit all the text, which is completely normal. If the text still feels a bit cramped, you can fine-tune the appearance by slightly widening the column or adjusting column sizes to create more space. And if you ever change your mind, you can click the wrap icon again to toggle wrapping off for that cell. That's all there is to it. By selecting your cell and using the wrap text button in the toolbar, you can keep your Smartsheet organized, readable, and much easier to scan at a glance.